That's what my intro. You don't know your girl Melica Sky in the building. Yo! Oh, what did them? Anyways.
Guess what, guys?
We're about to do a tutorial for you. I'm so extra.
Guess what we got? Teeth whitening.
Guys, you know I'm a teeth person. I always get my teeth clean and check up. You know that I've been doing some procedures on my teeth so that I can get braces. I'm still on that journey, but I'm about to whiten my teeth with the home teeth whitening kit from
this one? Smile Bright
in Atlanta. We also have a discount code, so you can check the description box below to get percentage off. A lot of percentage in my eyes, so you can check it out if you want white teeth and stuff. So in the package comes
a little handbook,
your information things. It tells you the steps on how to get the thing done. Let me see if it'll focus. And we have to go look on this because we don't know if to do it. Then you have this.
How about this one?
It tests how bad your teeth is in terms of color.
Yeah, teeth are 16.
Move for yourself. Come and test your teeth. Put your teeth up to the camera. I'm going to start around 16.
No.
Wait, somebody make me drop.
Not that, it's too bright.
Alright. Hold on, come and test our teeth then. So that's our teeth now. 16 is the darkest. Me think you have good teeth in a girl.
I just you.
Wait, your teeth about, you know, say about 3, 4. I think you're 2. You're about 3 or 4. You're about 3. She has good teeth. You know, so the gauge is.
Let me see your teeth. I want to.
Hold on, I want to focus. So see the see gauge, number 1 I white test. So should I test my teeth now? Can't take embarrassment.
Come up, let me see. Your teeth, boy. Numerous colors. Your teeth are colorful.
Listen, I'm not taking discrimination from camera. I'm not doing it. Anyways, come test my teeth. Guys, I have an open bite.
Oh boy, alright. Well, I'm gonna start so.
So funny, I think you're focused on the camera light.
Come. Light, guys. She teeth about 9.
You think, Stephanie? Wait. Check it, gauge. I'm checking myself because she has teeth.
Melica start from 16. No, about 9. About 8 or 9. See it here, so.
7, 8 on.
Alright, 7, 8.
Test your own one. You lighting better. Keep them straight in a boy.
So my teeth about 3, 4.
That's what I said before. So in the kit you have this your information pamphlet. You have your teeth whitening thing to check how white your teeth is. Then you have your gel stick. And then you have the thing to put in your mouth. Let me open it. Stephanie, what are some of the things that can cause brown teeth?
Listen to me. Are you telling me? Are you a brown teeth?
Anyways, you can have discoloration in your teeth from smoking.
Jinx.
Also, if you, Mama said the nicotine from the smoke mess up your teeth.
Like a teeth spoil.
Mama said nicotine makes teeth spoil too. Soda too, like Pepsi, Coca-Cola mess up your teeth. Coffee mess up your teeth too. What else? I don't know if you don't know.
Coke.
Yeah. Then they rot in your teeth, mess up your bad and sitting. So if you know anything else, you can list it below and we will check that out. You don't know. So we have just something here. This is our mouth guard we put in our mouth. The gel goes in this. And this is the gel. But I think we retrieve pamphlet first, Stephanie, because I don't make a mistake.
I'll do it first reading.
No, you do it. You don't do nothing for when if you go and do reading.
Woo! What is it now?
Prior to start treatment, rinse out your mouth with water.
With what?
Water. Do not brush your teeth or floss right before whitening.
Before what?
Whitening. This can cause sensitivity due to the whitening gel getting into small cuts and on your gums from your toothbrush or the floss.
So we need to go wash out with mud.
Go get some water and go.
No,
Just get 2 cups of water with it on the screen. We just go and put it on water and spit out it.
Yeah, I know any wash out mud.
Shout out to my hairdresser. I really like my hair. Comment below if you like my braids, my niggas. Why you care 1 cup? So the next step is turning on your mini LED light. Read that.
Be sure to remove the batteries from the back of the light. There will be a plastic casting between the batteries. The light will not work until this is removed. After removing plastic, place batteries back into the light. Your light will now be ready to be used.
So this is the back part. You turn to open. And here is the plastic on the back. Here's the plastic. You take it off. And then you put on back your back. Make sure not to fill the tray full of the gel. So don't fill up a tray of the gel because you're going to use the gel more than once. You should use a thin line about the width of a spaghetti noodle. I don't know noodle. Basically what they're saying is this gel, you just go put 1 line at the bottom part and 1 line at the top part for your tray. This is the tray. It comes in the package as well. So Stephanie,
What's that?
let me test the tray first. Come Stephanie. So see line, there's a line inside to guide you. What if we just can push it down? So.
Okay, what me something?
What me need? I don't know if it works. Just come on.
Yeah, come on.
Feel like you got broke.
Listen to me. Screw off.
So guys, we're supposed to screw this up. We're supposed to screw the little knob off the top off.
Tell me, ain't no boy.
Woo.
Mama,
Mama not fit put your tea like that. Mama wants some gel. No.
to make white jabu and
I
white.
have to make your teeth wet, Mama. Where your tray?
Right. Yeah, you know some people teeth bad color.
Come, like fear Punki.
Melica, you there 9. Come again.
Sure. Look on where you're doing a farm. Let me put this at bottom part.
Take out some of that and put it away. Oh, what else must we do now?
Read the next step, please.
Guys, so we must insert the mouthpiece, which is this, into your mouth and over your teeth.
Enough to swallow it, Stephanie.
Not so like. So, oh, this will go. I'll just put it. Okay. This start work already? You know if it work this time? Oh yeah, the solid. So we must place the clear flat piece of the light directly on the top of your mouthpiece inside your mouth. Wrap your lips over the outer rim of the light to hold it in place. There is no timer on the light, so you must time your treatment. What's up? Oh, this thing and I light up. Oh, yeah, see how double strong, guys. Watch out, sir. On plastic. Where they?
I just did my first 30-minute session. It's recommended that you do 2 30-minute sessions, right? Punki did have to stop because our fear light now were, because when I just got the lights, I tested one of them, which was Punki one, and I took out the batteries and the plastics, and it seems like it ran the batteries down. So a keynote, when you get them, if you're gonna take off the plastic, please remove the batteries after using. So I'm gonna do my next 30-minute session. I'm gonna come back with the results after the hour, and then we'll wrap up the video. So guys, I'm done with the sessions, and I'm about to look back on the chart. I don't know if I'm gonna see the results right away or I'm gonna see them in the morning or what, but you can check the description for the discount code. It's SkyLife. I'll put it in the description box. And this is the Smile Bright kit from Atlanta, Georgia. And yeah, home whitening system. I have really sensitive teeth, so I couldn't keep it in as long because my teeth them start feel away. So like a 2 30-minute session, maybe you shouldn't do it the same day. For instance, you do 1 30-minute session today, you do 1 tomorrow. So yeah, that's the kit. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. I see you on the next video.